Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about an easy makeup brush storage idea that I had the other day using an apothecary jar that I found at Home Goods. So I started out with an apothecary jar from Home Goods. It was $9. I used some leftover confetti that I got from Walmart to fill the bottom because it opens up all the way to the bottom. So there I kind of put in a little bit of the confetti, or actually everything that I had left over. Then I thought that it would be a good idea to kind of start making it a little bit more textured and putting little cute things in there. So what I did is I actually used some rhinestone confetti that I had left over from another party that I threw. So I just dumped all of that good stuff in there. And it wasn't a whole lot, but what I did is once I was finished, I kind of sprinkled some over this project when I was finished. But I filled it with Tootsie Rolls. I use a bag of Tootsie Rolls that I got from Target. I just kind of put those in there. At first I started out with 2 bags, and then I just mushed them down as much as possible because I wanted to make sure that it was very sturdy at the bottom. So when I put the brushes in, that they would hold. What I found out is that, during this part, I started putting the brushes in and I realized it was a little too much, but I kept going just to see what the outcome would be. Either way, 2 bags was too much, so I took it down a notch, and, the brushes sit, very nicely inside with the candy. And so now the top is on. I got my brushes in there, and this is just a quick, nice, easy project that that I started. If you like what you see, you can hit subscribe, submit a comment, and a like. I will do more of these in the future. But I just wanted to show you the outcome of this really cool project. It's trendy, but it's your own spin and difference on it. And you can use whatever candy you want, butterscotch or whatever it is that you think that you may want. So again, if you like this video and you like what you saw, hit subscribe, submit a like. This was Damaris Everyday. Thank you so much for taking the time to tune in again to my channel, and everybody enjoy.